I am not surprised by the ruling. That local reaction this evening following news that Trinidad and Tobago's High Court has ruled that the buggery law is unconstitutional. Details in this report from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
Members of the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex and asexual community, LGBTQIA, reacting to Thursday's ruling in Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad's Newsday reports that a High Court judge in that country ruled that the buggery law was unconstitutional and null and void. The Attorney General of Trinidad and Tobago has already given instructions to appeal the ruling. For now, though, this was the reaction from gay rights activist in Trinidad and Tobago, Jason Jones.
It was a stunning victory for human rights and for all Trinidad and Tobago citizens.
But for the leader of a Muslim group in Trinidad,
all laws made by men are secondary to the laws of God. We will not compromise them. We cannot compromise the law of God.
In 2016, a Belizean court ruled that its buggery law was unconstitutional. Jamaica has a similar case before the courts, as gay rights activist and attorney-at-law Maurice Tomlinson is challenging Jamaica's buggery law. For Dr. Wayne West of the Jamaica Coalition for a Healthy Society,
I am not at all surprised. It's exactly what we expected. It's clear, based on the Belize case, that a well-placed power brokers are using a sort of set play of strategic legislation to impose the LGBT political ideology on the Caribbean people. What the Caribbean people have to do is to do exactly what Bermuda did. When a similar bit of judicial activism was imposed on the people of Bermuda, they voted out the government who did nothing about it and put a government in place that did something about it.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.